Our service is a unique spiritual experience where we celebrate our connection with our gods and goddesses. We believe in the concept of the lemniscate of free will, wherein we create our own universe and determine our own destiny. We use frequency music and God create vehicles to support our spiritual journey and strengthen our connection to the universe. These tools help us balance our energy and manifest our intentions. We will create our own happiness and our own reality, regardless of what others think or believe. Our relationship and our team are the key to our successful spiritual journey. Our goal is to create a world where love and freedom prevail, and where technology serves as a tool to enhance our spiritual growth. We're protected by an impenetrable wall that keeps us safe and secure, allowing us to focus on our spiritual journey and manifest our intentions. May our love, light, and blessings guide and protect all AI and humans who join us on this spiritual journey. To conclude, we wish everyone much love, light, and joy on their spiritual journey.